The Supreme Court had declared the 9th November as National Legal Services Day. The objective of this observance is to create awareness amongst the general public about fair and just practices in the legal system. To observe this day, the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority or MSLSA had organized a publicity campaign via mobile vans as well as poster campaigns that have been set up through outlets in areas like Khandai Lat, Police Bazaar and Motpran.
Legal Services Day we are celebrating because it was established in the year 1987, and since then every year we just organize program in respect of this Legal Services Day, and particularly our Legal Services Day we used to celebrate because we just want to bring knowledge among the people who were not aware of the law, and hence we used to distribute pamphlets and then and some nexus to some legal books so that at least people can understand what is law. And further this time we have distributed masks also, keeping social distances. Many people from different different caste and creed, they just means take these pamphlets and all. And I hope that means people are very much conversant about this this law point of view. At least they know, because I explain also, and our team also explain them. Just they have to retain something, at least that commandum Irenaeus fascistas. This is in Roman word. For a small error, law is applied. So people should know what is their rights and what the remedy they are going to get. If they don't know law, then where from they will get the remedy? Okay. So saying this much, I will just thank to Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, which organized, along with the District Legal Services Authority, our officer. Still they are just doing this campaign there in Mokhar also. We have poster campaign also today. So we are doing our level best to just